Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and I'm also doing well. Friends, in this video I'm going to explain FBAR compliance. This compliance is for those who are resident of USA, who are living in USA, who has SSN in USA and TEIN tax reporting tax identification number in USA, and if he has bank account in foreign countries, it means other than USA, then you have to report your foreign accounts maximum balances, maximum balance available in that during that year. That maximum balance would have to report to the IRS. So while you are filing your tax returns before 15th of April, at that time or even before that you have to compliance one more compliance, that is foreign bank account reporting, and it can be filed as e-filing and in paper mode also. So you have to mention the account number detail, that the bank name where your account where you hold your accounts, and that bank address as well. And you have to report the maximum amount available during the year. This reporting is to be filed by FBAR mode or through on e-filing mode also, right? This is for to know where you have invested your amount other than USA. So the foreign bank account reporting e-filing process refers to the electronically submitted FinCEN form. This is in form number 10115, form 11114, a mandatory report for US person who have financial interest or signature authority over foreign financial amount exceeding 10,000. If you have an account which has balance more than 10,000, in that case you have to report it to the US government, right? And there is a portal where you have to fill your form 114. So in that case, if you need any kind of assistance in filing FBAR, so you can contact me. My contact number is mentioned here, my email ID is mentioned here. I can assist you in filing FBAR. Ensure you have to file it before 15th of April, and if you file for extension, then it is extended to the 15th of October. So if I talk about 2024 compliance, so you have to file that FBIR before 15th of April 2025 of your 2024 balance and of your 2024 foreign bank accounts you hold at different countries. I hope I am able to explain it, and if you need any kind of assistance, please contact me. And see you. And if you still have some doubts or confusion regarding this, you can comment in this comment section. I can try to answer it and can discuss later on. Okay friends, see you in next video. We'll discuss another compliances. Bye bye, take care.